Mesh openwork. Light, open, and perfect for summer projects. Simple, playful, and really beautiful once it opens up. The repeat is just 2 stitches over 4 rows, so it's very easy to learn. Cast on an even number of stitches plus your edge stitches. And if you want to start your project directly with this pattern, begin with a foundation row of knit stitches on the wrong side. Row 1, right side. Edge stitch. Knit 1, and then knit 1 into the stitch 1 row below. This creates a soft, double loop. Purl 1. Repeat this little pair to the end of the row. And finish with your edge stitch. Row 2, wrong side. Edge stitch. Knit 1. Here's that double loop we made in the previous row. Now simply knit the 2 loops together. Repeat this to the end of the row. And finish with the edge stitch. Row 3, edge stitch. Purl 1. Whenever you see a knit stitch, that's where you make the double loop. And the other stitch in the pair will be purl. Repeat this to the end of the row. And finish with the edge stitch. Row 4, edge stitch. Knit the double loop together. Knit 1. Repeat to the end of the row. And finish with the edge stitch. Repeat rows 1 through 4 to continue the pattern. And look how beautiful it is,